Hello, 7-Day Blood Sugar Control Meal Plan by Dr. Alamayo. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am sharing a complete 7-day blood sugar control meal plan that is simple, affordable, and perfect for anyone who wants to maintain healthy glucose levels naturally. If you are ready to take control of your health through smart eating, stay tuned. This plan includes delicious breakfasts, balanced lunches, light dinners, and healthy snacks using everyday foods like oats, beef, barley, vegetables, legumes, and healthy fats. Let's get started. Day 1. Day 1, you should eat your breakfast. Oatmeal with chia seeds plus one boiled egg. And snack, almonds. Lunch, injera with Mr. Wort plus green salad. And again snack, one apple. And dinner, vegetable soup plus two boiled eggs. A perfect fiber-rich start that keeps your blood sugar stable all day. Day 2, eat breakfast whole grain bread with peanut butter and snack plain yogurt. Lunch brown rice plus grilled chicken plus vegetables. Snack roasted chickpeas. Dinner stir fried vegetables plus fish. Then high protein plus healthy fats can result into steady energy with no sugar spikes. Day 3, you should eat breakfast scrambled eggs with spinach. Snack green banana. Lunch barley or quinoa plus shiro plus kale mix. Snack peanuts. Dinner light lentil soup. This combination balances fiber, protein, and slow release carbohydrates. Day 4, you should eat breakfast oats porridge plus flax seeds. Snack apple. Lunch injera plus fish stew. Snack unsweetened coffee. Dinner chicken stew plus green salad as recommended. Day 5, you should eat avocado spinach smoothie. Snack orange. Lunch brown rice plus beans plus vegetables. Snack sunflower seeds. Dinner vegetable omelette plus whole grain bread. Then healthy fats from avocado and the seeds help reduce blood sugar spikes. Day 6, you should eat breakfast 2 boiled eggs plus green banana. Snack roasted barley or kolo. Lunch quinoa or barley plus lentils plus green salad. Snack yogurt. And dinner grilled fish plus steamed vegetables. And day 7, you should eat breakfast oatmeal with flaxseed and chai plus boiled egg. Snack apple or small grapes. Lunch injera plus shiro plus cabbage or kale. Snack almonds. Dinner light vegetable soup plus chicken or fish. This is a gentle light dinner supports overnight sugar balance. Concerning hydration, or hydration and lifestyle tips. You should drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily and avoid sugary drinks. And you should walk 20 to 30 minutes daily and do light stretching after meal. These small habits make a big difference in keeping your blood sugar stable. If you follow this simple 7-day plan, you will feel more energetic, reduce sugar spikes, and stay in control of your health. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips.